Hey guys, good morning, and today is the day 2, so I'm ready as you can see me. And yeah, it's already 10:30 and we are leaving to Hamta Pass, so I'm gonna see you there. Bye bye. Hey guys, so we are about to leave and we already booked the cab and it costs 2,500. So we'll go and then we'll come back around, I don't know. So yeah, we'll see. Let's go. Hey everyone, and right now we are buying a snow dress because we are going to play snow, so we'll get wet. So for that, we bought boots for rent, boots, and then snow boots, and then this. I'm gonna wear this. So yeah, we are ready, and you can enjoy with us. So bye bye. And it cost us around 3, no?
Per head.
Total it cost 1,000 per person. So yeah. OMG. Oh, snowfall kakak Syah. Hey guys, finally we reached our destination and right now we are going to change. We are going to wear a snow jumpsuit and we are going to play the snow. So yeah. Hey guys, so we are enjoying. Now it's my turn to wear those skit and I'm going to be skidding, so you can watch me there. Look up. Say hi. Are you enjoying?
Awesome.
Đá thằng Lê. Đá thằng Lê. Hay bà vợ. Hay nga ba? 전쟁가 저번에. 아이, 나 장래. snowman. Gigi mah? Hey guys, do you want to see my snowman? Let me show you. Oh, I'm so tired. Here you go. This is my snowman. Yay! Hey guys, I'm so tired and right now I'm taking rest and I'm playing snow. So now we're gonna have tea or coffee and Maggie. So I'll see you there. Hey guys, I'm having Maggie. It's so good. 토마토자.
와, 수고해 봐.
등등 시공을 하모? Let me finish this. Hey guys, fortunately it's snowing as you can see there. Hey guys, as you can see, snowfall. We're so lucky. Yay. We are freezing, guys. So cold. And bisa apa tak kak? Hi. 2, 3. Woo! Nice one.
चलो
Hey guys, finally we reached Igla. I'm so tired, I can't even breathe. You can see. I'm gonna go inside. Guys, if you want to visit Manali, then you can come here and you can stay over also. I think it took भैया कितना लेता है एक दिन का rent?
5,500 for one person.
5,000 per day.
Yeah.
It was 5,000, right? So we are not going to
Everything
stay.
is included: lunch, dinner, breakfast,
Okay.
no dress.
Okay.
And the activities, all that bonfire in evening is complimentary.
Okay.
Yeah, and the transportation charges extra to reach here. Rest we can give you everything.
Look at this, guys. So tired.
Mama ini kan ikut Jawa, ya no?
Hello.
Problem nang Jawa?
Magulog, magulog.
Eh,
Oh, gulog. I'm gonna miss everything. Let's go there. Hi. Come on, let's go. Ow. Chena. Jangina.
만자 주스 안 하나야? 이리 이노 슈리 방. 아, 낙 돼. 우치바 방 아니 방. 아, 나 땡지 왜? 이리 플레인 온 칼라로. 하이.
Bye bye. See you next year. Nimna. Bye bye. सूरज डूबा है यारों तो पैसे के मारो रास्ते बुला दो सारे घर वाले ask me for anything I can give you everything. Hey guys, and finally we are back from Hamta Pass. So we are freezing, so right now we're gonna have coffee. We are searching for a cooking cafe. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, finally we are here and we're gonna have coffee. And name of the cafe is Manali. What was that? Manali Day. So I'm gonna have coffee, and this is traditional food from Manali. We call it siddu. So I'm gonna meet you after having coffee. Bye bye. Feels so good. Having siddu, it's a traditional Manali food.
Wow, coffee.
Wow. It tastes like Thai pho. We get in Sikkim. So that's all for today, guys. And if you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So it's a day 2 vlog. And yeah, till then, bye bye. I'm gonna have my pizza. So that's all for today, guys.